Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2022 Vauxhall Vivaro long wheelbase in a lovely white. This comes with 37,000 miles on the clock, and I will just take you around the vehicle now. So if I just open up the passenger door here, you can see that inside we have 3 cloth-lined seats. This is a manual 6-speed gearbox with a reverse gear as well. Air conditioning can be controlled just here along with radio. Parking sensors and any other little vehicle settings you may want to change. Across to here as well, we do have cruise control and volume and audio control on the back of the steering wheel as well. And if I just head into the back of the van, you can see that it is got interior lighting at the back and it is ply lined, and there's no scratches or dents within the bulkhead, suggesting this has only been used for carrying very light loads. And it does also have cargo rings throughout as well to tie down any loads you may be carrying.